How you doing? We're back. We're going to use your Advance stencil. I'm going to show you how to hold it in place. There's several ways you can do it. Obviously, you've followed along and you've probably already got a cheap roll of tape. Pull you off a piece of it. Put it on your shirt. This takes some of the sticky off of it. Tear a small piece. Roll it up. Stick it to the back side. Roll it up. Stick it somewhere on the back side where it's not visible, because if you stick it, say for instance out here, it's not going to work because it's going to take some of your stencil away. This here's a pretty small stencil. You only need a couple of pieces of tape on it. Now it'll hold it into place. You take your color. Maybe this one will work. You take your color. You can go dark, you can go light. You can add a little flare on it. And you have that.